It's been about 4 or 5 hours. This foundation is amazing. The sun is hitting my face. It's like a glisten thing going on. If you want to see how I got this beat and this look, ladies, just keep watching. Bye. Okay, pretty ladies. Now the products for this video, as I let you know, is Fenty Beauty. And we got some new things here we're going to use today. I have the foundation, the bronzer, and the concealer. And we're going to get into these and get this face beat. I'm already washed, prepped, and primed, and I already did my brow. Alright, this is the foundation. My Fenty Beauty, of course, that's Rihanna's collection, and I got it in the color. It says Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and this one is 445. 445, and it says 8G02. Okay, it's a concealer. That's so cute. It's so cute how everything matches. That's the concealer. And this one is in the color 385, and it says Instant Retouch Concealer Pro Filter. We're gonna find out, baby. We're gonna find out today. Bronzer I got it in Mocha Mami. Ooh, that sounds cute. That sounds real cute. I like how I got the little plastic inside. See the plastic? Let you know I'm the only one that had this product. You can see all my junk in the background, but that's okay. It's really pretty. It's soft. Packaging is really, really pretty. Let's get into this. All right, so I'm gonna take a few pumps and put it on the back of my hand, because we don't want to ever start out with so much product, because you don't know how. That's 2 pumps. You don't know how the product is going to be on your face, and you don't want to use too much. I just take any old brush and just wipe it on there. I kind of get where I put it, mostly where my darkest spots are at. And then go from there. I get every inch off my hand.
I heard that this product really oxidizes, so
I'm gonna find out today, honey. And I'm gonna take my my Morphe 439 brush, foundation brush, and I'm just gonna get in there and just start pushing it into the skin. Push it into the skin. Ooh. Okay, Rihanna. Okay.
look like I'm gonna have to put on some red corrector with this next time now, because my face is a little bit red.
I'm gonna go in for one more pump. It's a little watery to me. It really does oxidize, and it oxidizes really fast.
So, yeah.
3 pumps is good. Probably for some of you ladies, probably 2 pumps because your face is probably smaller. I got a big face. All right, let me know what y'all think. Not too bad. All right, now let's get into this concealer. This is the concealer. This is the applicator. It's really cute. It's like really. It's like lip gloss. It's really nice. Really, really nice. Really, 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 really nice.
Now we're gonna do one side at a time because the hype was that it dries down really fast. And it's crazy because I'm not really one
Or
that
for E45 brush. Looks like this.
hold at the end, and you just wanna start at the inner corner. Look up and push that into the skin. Oh shit! Okay, girl. Should I have a darker color? Oh my god. This is really pretty. I like to drag it right around there and around my mouth.
This is pretty.
Let's go on the other side. It's amazing because some concealers you have to put a lot. This didn't take much. The price for the concealer was $26, and the price for the foundation was $36 or $39. And the bronzer was, I believe, about $30 too, $32 or so. Got it at Sephora.
Alright, now we're gonna go on the contour of the nose and a little bit on the. And just a tiny bit on my forehead.
We're switching to RAM than ever before because RAM gives you more towing, more luxury.
Don't worry about the little harsh lines. We're gonna go right back in and we're gonna clean all that up.
With up to
We'll put it all
20% off
together.
MSRP and America's most awarded pickup. The all-new RAM 1500.
Okay, snatching that nose.
Now get 20% off MSRP on select all-new 2019 Ram 1500 models in dealer stock.
Take our beauty blender and we're gonna just push it in.
it's already dried down. So we're not gonna be picking up any more product. We're just gonna kind of really get into this.
I don't know what y'all, if y'all can see this on camera, but honey, I'm cute. I'm cute. It's like a luminous, a little like, it already has a glow to it. So if you want it, you could just stop right here. Good work look, good clubbing look. Honey, whatever you
With
want.
some powder and just press that in. Press all that in. It's funny because people use different powders for different foundations, different concealers, and sometimes it'll mess it up. It'll get it to crack it right under the eye. I don't think nobody really talks about that. But I'm a Sasha Buttercup girl. I haven't found anything else. And I'm one of those people that don't like change and don't really, I be scared. You know, we spend thousands of dollars on makeup and changing something is like, why? This is so beautiful, you guys.
That's the concealer and the foundation. This concealer, they said that it dries down really fast, but it's still kind of, it's like tacky, like wet. It's like really, really wet, but the finish is so flawless. Like, so I wish you guys can really, really see this. It's like so flawless. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and check out this bronzer. Let me find a bronzing brush. Again, this is what it looks like. And it has a mirror. I'm gonna go in really light because I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Oh shit, girl. Oh. Okay. I already have that line, so I don't need to really be precise. I just have to add some color into my face.
Okay. Okay, honey. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Just beautiful. I can define my chin.
Now I'm gonna take my Morphe M173 brush and I'm gonna contour my nose with the same brown.
Just make sure you start here and drag it on down. Don't swirl in the product. You want to dip because see that? It's a lot. Oh my god. That is beautiful. Just fucking beautiful.
Okay, this is the concealer, the foundation, and the bronzer. I gotta say this is really, really nice, even without a full beat face. It's really pretty, it's really subtle. I really like it. I'll be right back. I'm gonna do my lashes and a little highlighter, come back and give you guys my final thoughts. All right, I shall be back. Okay, I'm back. This is the final look. If you want me to recreate this look, just go ahead and hit me in the description box below and I'll recreate this look. But my final thoughts on this foundation, once I put the highlighter on and everything, not too bad, not too bad. Okay, thank you for being here with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want any other videos, any ideas on what I can do, just go ahead and hit me up in the description box and I'll check it out and we'll see what we can do. Let's stay pretty, ladies and gentlemen.